All right, closing markets on February 21st. That was a fun one. That was a very interesting afternoon. What did we see today? We saw some scary stuff, to be honest with you. It was a very interesting afternoon indeed. A lot more news coming out about coronavirus. Let's talk about some of the rumors that I heard, and maybe you can share some rumors you heard. Some of the stuff that I heard actually this morning goes back to there's a breakout in the prison system in China. That's scary. You got a lot of people self-contained in there. That's not going to do any good. Late today, started seeing stories about Italy. They've had a handful of identification cases in Italy now, and Iran. In Iran, I actually heard it's a different strain entirely. So this thing is getting very unnerving. And I don't know who the heck wants to hold stocks for the week and do that. I think that had a lot to do with the stocks breakdown in the afternoon. The stocks sold off pretty hard. And I'm pretty sure that had a lot to do with it. And of course, along with that, bonds rallied up. Bonds are up way up there at new contract highs again. They're up over a full point. SPUs just got ramshackled, totally destroyed. But they did a little bit bounce. It was kind of surprising. Dollar index got slapped. That was a little surprising too. And go back to what we talked about earlier in the week, how we've had this strange positive correlation with dollar and gold. Well, that broke today. Gold was just smoking higher. Gold ripped up higher, way up there. I think it gave like 28 bucks, something like that. Big move in gold. Well, dollar index got slapped down hard. So interesting to see a little break. There's some other little metals that did pretty well. I watched the HRC contract at the CME. I like watching that because I'm a region rat. I'm from Northwest Indiana. I got family who works in the steel mills, friends in the steel mills. So we like to keep a close eye on that one, the hot rolled coil. And it was actually up today. It was up pretty good. So that was nice to see. Where that demand's coming, I'm not sure. I think I might have tweeted a chart of that, but it went out later, kind of show it rolling on there. But it's been through a roller coaster over the last year. Came off a big sell-off, but it's been rallying for about a couple of weeks now. So something's going on there. I also looked at that steel scrap over at LME. That's put out a good month of February. It got destroyed in the month of January. Month of February, it's bounced quite well. So interesting to see why we're getting demand for those metals right now. Freight stuff I haven't looked at that too much in the last couple of days, but I think I actually saw pull back a little bit in that, but I'm not real certain. I can't talk with certainty. Walking by CME. There's the CME folks right there. What else did we see? Kind of covers what we saw, but I think I was kind of fascinated to see that. Oh, iron ore was up pretty good too. Iron ore was up real good at SGX as well as over at DCE, Darling Commodity Exchange, was up a little bit over last night as well. I think like 1.5% over at SGX. Interesting also the China A50. I watched that index a lot. That's traded at SGX. That was kind of flat yesterday. I'm not really sure. I don't think they know what to do over there. So I think they kept that index a little bit iffy. Those are really the stuff that I was watching, stuff that I kind of saw. But I'm really kind of fascinated by this dollar break versus the huge gold rally. That makes sense. That's what they should do. But they haven't been doing that for a while. So why did the safe haven stuff all flood to gold today, not dollar? I don't know. But interesting, we'll keep an eye on. Anything else? What else do we see? I think that about covers it. I'll be on the train for the hour. Got anything you want to talk about? Got anything you saw? Shoot me a tweet, shoot me a comment, call me crazy. It's fine. It's not an uncommon thing to do. Talk to you later. Bye.